Tezos value equivalent to 1741 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1649-1896. The earlier day close, 1768. The change was 0.17, 153%. Converse rate, ZAR to XTZ. Tezos cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at 1838 rands. Exorbitant cost 2281, while low cost 1838. The found the middle value of cost 2022. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 2132. Change for September 16%. Tezos figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 2132 rands. Excessive cost 2201, while low cost 1913. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2076. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 2057. Change for October 35%. Tezos cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 2057 rands. Excessive cost 2553, while low cost 2057. The found the middle value of cost 2263. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 2386. Change for November 16%. Tezos estimate for December 2024. To start with cost at 2386 rands. Exorbitant cost 2826, while low cost 2386. The found the middle value of cost 2560. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 2641. Change for December 10.7%. Tezos cost expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 2641 rands. Excessive cost 3096, while low cost 2641. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2818. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 2893. Change for January 9.5%. Tezos conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 2893 rands. Excessive cost 3074, while low cost 2672. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2878. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 2873. Change for February's 0.7%. Tezos cost expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at 2873 rands. Exorbitant cost 2873, while low cost 2360. They found the middle value of cost 2661. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 2538. Change for spring 11.7%. Tezos estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 2538 rands. Exorbitant cost 2641, while low cost 2295. They found the middle value of cost 2486. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 2468. Change for April 28%. Tezos cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 2468 rands. Exorbitant cost 2681, while low cost 2331. They found the middle value of cost 2497. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 2506. Change for May 15%. Tezos estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 2506 rands. Excessive cost 2615, while low cost 2273. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2460. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 2444. Change for June 25%. Tezos cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 2444 rands. Excessive cost 2444, while low cost 2089. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2306. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 2246. Change for July 81%. Tezos figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 2246 rands. Excessive cost 2302, while low cost 20,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2175. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 2151. Change for August 42%. Tezos cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 2151 rands. Excessive cost 2584, while low cost 2151. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2325. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 2415. Change for September 12.3%. Tezos gauge for October 2025. In the first place cost at 2415 rands. Exorbitant cost 2997, while low cost 2415. They found the middle value of cost 2657. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 2801. Change for October 16%. Tezos cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 28.01 rands. Exorbitant cost 30.45, while low cost 26.47. The found the middle value of cost 28.35. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 28.46. Change for November 16%. Tezos gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 28.46 rands. Exorbitant cost 30.94, while low cost 26.90. They found the middle value of cost 28.81. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 28.92. Change for December 16%. Tezos cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at 28.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 31.31, while low cost 27.21. They found the middle value of cost 29.18. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 29.26. Change for January 2%. Tezos conjecture for February 2026. Before all else, cost at 29.26 rands. Excessive cost 31.32, while low cost 27.22. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 29.27. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 29.27. Change for February 0%. Tezos cost expectation for walk 2026. Before all else, cost at 29.27 rands. Excessive cost 29.27, while low cost 24.35. They found the middle value of cost 27.27. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 26.18. Change for spring 10.6%. Tezos gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 26.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 32.50, while low cost 26.18. They found the middle value of cost 28.81. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 30.37. Change for April 16%. Tezos cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset, cost at 30.37 rands. Excessive cost 33.02, while low cost 28.70. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 30.74. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 30.86. Change for May 16%. Tezos conjecture for June 2026. Before all else, cost at 30.86 rands. Excessive cost 33.54, while low cost 29.16. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 31.23. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 31.35. Change for June 16%. Tezos cost expectation for July 2026. In the first place, cost at 31.35 rands. Exorbitant cost 34.8, while low cost 29.62. They found the middle value of cost 31.73. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 31.85. Change for July 16%. Tezos gauge for August 2026. In the first place, cost at 31.